Today we'll talk about how can you create a new game on your Plato app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Plato app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here in this sign. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just select here any game you want. You click here, then you click here on create new game here. And here can you select games, then it's going to create with you here in this list. So just click on it, mini glove, and here add here game mode, then here players and halls. Then here if you want to add it random or easy, you click here on play. Automatically it's going to take you to play here on your Plato app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.